Hello again from Slovenia, and I will just try to do another bloom kind of technique to share with you, and maybe come with some result that we all can use and play with, and when it will be just right, I will tell you all about my products. I tell about them in one or two videos ago. I will put a link in my card and description so you can see what I use, but I will definitely tell you when I will improve this technique to the stage that it will work completely okay, so that you can try to use it and play with this too. And again, I didn't take Sheleeart class, so I can share this, what I discovered, with you. I will just blow this. And wait a little bit. And this time I will try to do one more here. Oops. And maybe one more here. And then we will stretch this. I think that I have too much white on this one, but we will see what will happen. When we will stretch it. So I obviously didn't, I don't know what is the right, I shouldn't have add another flower probably. I think that it would be enough to have just this one flower, bloom, or whatever you want to call it. I still have to improve with my blowing part, but I'm quite happy with the way that this going, so I hope that I will get there when I'll be I will have all the consistency right to the way that I can share it with you too. So I almost dropped this. I just mix these paints, so I use them. I will use some other paints too, but for today. I only have this. I like this upper part here, so I don't want to lose it. Yay! I think that I am really close, so I just have to so some of my products that I have used was this heavy gel gloss medium and transparent gloss glaze medium and satin fluid medium and some fluidart. But the mixture and how I mix them and what I mix with this paint and the base coat and other things I will tell you in some of my next videos if you want me to. Tell me what you think. Is this improvement from the previous one, or I think that it is, and that I get some of these effects, but still I still need to improve my blowing part, I think. And this is the previous one that I did with green and gold, and I didn't like this gold here, so I left it out this time, and I think that it's much better. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye!